I'm Harry Foullas, and basically I'm the new national sales manager down here at Edencraft International. Yep, consult the experts. What I mean by that is not, your mates down the road that have owned a boat for 20 years, 30 years, and you ask them how many hours have they done in what you want to do. Say you want to get into the offshore fishing. There's no point talking to a guy that's been fishing all his life, every night of the week in the bay, if you want to set up an offshore boat. Okay, and when you want to set up an offshore boat, if that's what you want to do, you talk to people that have been doing the offshore fishing for a while. Once again, what I find is that people get advice from people. Yes, they've owned boats for 20, 30 years, but they're sitting in their garages. Talk to people that regularly fish, that have done 400 plus hours offshore, and and basically is what you want to do. That's the guy that's made all the mistakes. He's made all the mistakes. So you're not going to make him. Listen to him. Source him out. Find that person. Doesn't have to be a salesman, but go to a club, join a club, talk to the guys with the most experience. And you know what? Most of those guys are happy to help. And they'll tell you how it is, and they'll save you money, and you'll be on the right track, and you'll buy the right boat and set it up right. We're lucky enough here, we've got people that have got that experience. I'm one of those people. I actually hold a coxswain's ticket, commercial ticket as well. So I've gone through that. I was going to start a charter boat myself, my own personal charter boat, but it's not my cup of tea really. But it just gives you another level of experience, I suppose. Yeah, it's basically the boats, okay? The boats have been around. Edencraft as a company has been around for over 30 years, and a fair few of my mates have owned Edencraft, and there are plenty of people that own them. But the formula is really what captures my mind. It's a legendary hull. It's got history. It's got dynamic. It's a powerhouse of a boat, and it's world renowned. I mean, we talk about our boats in Australia. We've got great boats here. But really, the only hull that's world renowned. You can go to Italy, you can go to America, you can go to Greece, and you mention the word 233 formula, and everybody knows what you're talking about. I mean, how many boats can you say that about? You know what I mean? They actually get built in Australia. Yes, it's got US heritage, and that's what makes it a great boat as well, with its Carolina flair. But the fact that these boats, the models that we build, basically have been driven by the commercial sector originally. Edencraft wasn't originally born to serve the recreational sector. It was always serving the commercial sector, the abalone divers, fisheries, police, all that sort of stuff. And then obviously the rec guys realised how good a boat it is, and they just wanted a part of it. And ever since then, it's shifted. Basically, there's more recreational Edencrafts being sold than commercial boats, which tells you how good the boats are. No matter where you go, you'll see one. No matter who you talk to that have had one, I've always got good stories about them. But well, I'm excited with the potential of a new model, 2 new models, 3 new models. Can't talk about them right now. Obviously, everyone knows the 565 is coming out shortly, and a lot of people are excited about that, including myself. I've owned the 565R and the 565L in the Haynes Hunter models, and I know how good they are, and I can't wait to jump in this one. There's another model we're looking at with the formula, a canyon runner, which is an American term, and basically it applies to us now here. With our lakes entrance run-outs to 100K, 80Ks, 100Ks, 120Ks, this boat will be able to cater for that sort of fishing properly. So look out for that one.